Welcome to the Square Takeoff how-to video series. In today's video, we're going to cover the Bid Management List View Project Date Selector feature. Let's get started. When you're within your list view, you'll see that you have a bid due date, a project start date, and use your selectable fields. From here, you can select one of these items. Let's go ahead and stick with the bid due date. Let's go ahead and adjust our date back to January. And let's go ahead and hit apply. From here, you can see all the users, including myself and John Smith. If you would like to sort those users, you can simply use the sort feature underneath the users. Let's select John Smith and hit apply. From here, you can see that just John Smith appears. If I want to show my projects, I simply select that and apply here. If I want to show all of them, once again, I go back to this. There you go. And that's it. Thank you for watching today's video.